Oswal book, sample paper maths, class 10th standard, self-assessment paper 2, part B, section 5, question number 24. If the roots of the quadratic equation x minus a, x minus b plus x minus b into x minus c plus x minus a into x minus c equals to 0 are equal, then show that a equals to b equals to c. इस प्रॉब्लम में हमें एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन दी हुई है x माइनस ए इंटू एक्स माइनस बी प्लस एक्स माइनस बी इंटू एक्स माइनस सी प्लस एक्स माइनस ए इंटू एक्स माइनस सी इक्वल्स टू 0. तो सबसे पहले हम इस क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. सो x इंटू एक्स एक्स स्क्वायर, एक्स इंटू माइनस बी एक्स, माइनस ए इंटू एक्स माइनस ए एक्स, माइनस ए इंटू माइनस बी प्लस ए बी प्लस एक्स इंटू एक्स एक्स स्क्वायर, एक्स इंटू माइनस सी एक्स, एक्स इंटू माइनस बी एक्स प्लस बी सी प्लस एक्स इंटू एक्स एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस सी एक्स माइनस ए एक्स प्लस ए सी इक्वल्स टू 0. नाउ एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर will be 3x square, minus bx and minus bx minus 2bx, minus ax and minus ax minus 2ax, and minus cx and minus cx minus 2cx plus ab plus bc plus ac equals to 0. Now 3x square from these three terms minus 2x is common, so b plus a plus c plus ab plus bc plus ac. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. So on comparing with standard form, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. A will be equals to 3, b will be equals to minus 2, a plus b plus c, and c will be equals to ab plus bc plus ac. We know that when roots of quadratic equation are equal, determinant d, that is given by b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Putting value here, minus 2 a plus b plus c whole square minus 4 into a, that is 3, into c ab plus bc plus ac. Now expanding, now minus 2 square will be 4, a plus b plus c whole square minus 12 into ab minus 12 bc minus 12 ac. On expanding this, we will get 4 a plus b plus c whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca minus 12ab minus 12bc minus 12ac. Multiplying 4 inside the bracket, 4 a square plus 4 b square plus 4 c square plus 8ab 8bc plus 8ca minus 12ab minus 12bc minus 12ac. This will be equals to 4a square 4b square plus 4c square 8ab minus 12ab, that will be equals to minus का 4ab, 8bc minus 12bc, that will be minus 4bc, and 8ca minus 12ac will be minus 4ac equals to 0. From here 4 is common, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac equals to 0. So a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac equals to 0. We have a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc and minus ac equals to 0. Firstly, we will multiply and divide it by 2. A square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac equals to 0. 2 will be goes into 0. This will be equals to 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ac. We can write 2a square as a square plus a square plus b square plus b square plus c square plus c square. We write 2b square as b square plus b square, 2c square as c square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ac equals to 0. So a square plus b square minus 2ab plus b square plus c square minus 2bc plus c square plus a square minus 2ac equals to 0. This will be equals to a minus b whole square. This will be equals to b minus c whole square, and this will be equals to c minus a whole square equals to 0. Since sum of these three term is equals to 0, so each individual term will be equals to 0. So from here a minus b whole square will be equals to 0. So a minus b equals to 0. So a will be equals to b. From here b minus c will be equals to 0. From here b minus c whole square will be equals to 0. So b minus c will be equals to 0. So b equals to c. Since a equals to b and b equals to c, so a equals to b equals to c. Hence proved. The denominator of a fraction is 1 more than twice its numerator if the sum of fraction and its reciprocal is 2 whole 16 upon 21. Find fraction. इस प्रॉब्लम में सबसे पहले हम लेट करेंगे, लेट न्यूमरेटर ऑफ फ्रैक्शन बी एक्स एंड डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ अ फ्रैक्शन बी वाई. So fraction will be equals to x upon y according to condition. First condition, the denominator, that is y, is 1 more than twice its numerator. So denominator is 1 more than twice its numerator. So y equals to 2x plus 1. This is equation first. According to second condition, the sum of fraction, that is fraction is x upon y, and its reciprocal, that is y upon x, is 2 whole 16 upon 21. This will be equals to 58 upon 21. So from here x into y equals to x square plus y square, that is 58 upon 21. Putting value of y here. So x square plus 2x plus 1 whole square upon x into 2x plus 1 equals to 58 upon 21. So x square plus 4x square plus 1 plus 4x upon 2x square plus x equals to 58 upon 21. Cross multiplication, 4x square plus x square 5x square, and 5x square into 21, this will be equals to 105 x square plus 21 into 4x will be 84x, and 21 into 1, that is be 21. 58 into 2x square will be 116x square plus 58x. Transferring 105x square here, so 116x square minus 105x square will be 11x square. 58x minus 84x, this will be equals to 26x, and minus 21 equals to 0. 11 into 21, this will be equals to 11 1 ja 11, 11 2 ja 22, and 231. So we have to find factor of 231 such that their difference is 26. Factor will be 33 into 7. So 11x square minus 33x plus 7x minus 21 equals to 0. From first two term 11x is common, x minus 3. From last two term 7 is common, x minus 3 equals to 0. So 11x plus 7 and x minus 3 equals to 0. So from here x will be equals to minus 7 upon 11 and x equals to 3. Neglecting x equals to minus 7 upon 11. So putting value of x here, so y will be equals to 2 into 3 plus 1, that is 7. So our fraction will be equals to x upon y, that is 3 upon 7. This is our answer. Question number 34. The angle of elevation of the top of Q of a vertical tower PQ from a point X on the ground is 60 degree. From a point Y 40 meter vertically above X, the angle of elevation of the top Q of a tower is 45 degree. Find the height of the tower PQ and distance PX. इस प्रॉब्लम में हमें एक टावर दिया हुआ है PQ, जिसका टॉप है Q. ग्राउंड पर एक कोई पॉइंट है X. लेट द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन P एंड X बी. ग्राउंड पर एक पॉइंट है X. इस पॉइंट X से टावर के टॉप का जो एलिवेशन है डेट इज 60 डिग्री. X से 40 मीटर वर्टिकली अबव एक कोई पॉइंट है Y. पॉइंट Y से टावर के टॉप का जो एलिवेशन है डेट इज 45 डिग्री. हमें टावर की हाइट बतानी है. तो इस पॉइंट तक की डिस्टेंस होगी 40. तो लेट कर लेते हैं टावर की हाइट है h. Let this point be R and let QR be Z. So in triangle QRY 1045 1045 will be equals to QR, that is Z, upon YR, that is equals to PX. So 1045 is equals to 1 equals to Z upon PX. So PX will be equals to Z. Now in triangle PQX 1060 will be equals to H upon PX. 1060 is equals to root 3 equals to H upon PX. PX is equals to Z. PX is equals to Z. So from here root 3 into PX equals to H. PX is equals to Z. So root 3 Z equals to H is equals to Z plus PR is equals to 40. So Z plus 40. So from here root 3Z minus Z equals to 40. So Z is common, root 3 minus 1 equals to 40. So from here Z equals to 40 upon root 3 minus 1. On this slide Z equals to 40 upon root 3 minus 1. Now we will rationalize this by multiplying root 3 plus 1 in numerator and denominator. So 40 into root 3 plus 1, a plus b and a minus b, this will be equals to 3 minus 1, that is 20 root 3 plus 1. We have root 3 equals to 1.732 plus 1. So (20) into 2.732, this will be equals to 54.640 meter. So Z is equals to 54.640 meter. So height H will be equals to 40 plus Z, that is 54.640, that is 94.64 meter. This is our answer. And PX is equals to Z. So PX will be equals to 54.64 meter. Question number 36. Water in a canal 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep is flowing with a speed of 10 km per hour. How much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes if 8 meter standing water is needed? इस प्रॉब्लम में हमें दिया हुआ है कि एक कैनल है जो कि 6 मीटर वाइड है एंड 1.5 मीटर डीप है इसमें वाटर 10 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से फ्लो हो रहा है, तो स्पीड है वाटर की 10 किलोमीटर पर आवर। तो वो पूछ रहा है हाउ मच एरिया विल इट इरीगेट इन 30 मिनट। तो सबसे पहले हम कैनल में जो वाटर होगा 30 मिनट में उसका वॉल्यूम निकालेंगे। तो लेंथ ऑफ वाटर इन कैनल इन 30 मिनट, 1 घंटे में 10 किलोमीटर वाटर फ्लो होगा, तो 30 मिनट में 5 किलोमीटर मीन्स 5000 मीटर। सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर इन कैनल will be L into B into H, that is 5000 into 6 into 1.5 meter cube. That much amount of water will be flow in canal in 30 minutes. So volume of this water, volume of canal, volume of water in canal will be equals to volume of water in area irrigated. So 5000 into 6 into 1.5 equals to area irrigated into जो हमारा हाइट है 8 सेंटीमीटर, दिस विल बी इक्वल्स टू 8/100 मीटर। सो एरिया irrigated will be equals to 5000 into 6 into 1.5 into into 100 upon 8. On solving this, we will get 522500 meter square. So area irrigated will be equals to 5.225 into 10 to the power 5 meter square. That much amount of area will be irrigated.